Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Job hunting in 2025 is no longer a manual grind. AI is your new best friend. With the job market evolving fast, let's explore how to leverage AI to land your dream role. Stick around for 5 minutes of game-changing tips. From crafting resumes to acing interviews, AI tools are transforming the process. Let's dive into how you can use them starting today. Why AI matters. In 2025, over 90% of companies use AI for hiring, screening resumes in seconds with tools like applicant tracking systems. This means your traditional approach won't cut it anymore. But it's not just for employers. Job seekers can use AI to personalize applications and stand out. Posts on X highlight how AI reduces the stress of applying to hundreds of jobs. With 52% of US workers worried about AI's impact, using it smartly can give you an edge. Let's see how. The tools. Start with AI resume builders like Teal or Resume Genius, which optimize your resume with keywords from job descriptions to beat ATS filters. Next, use ChatGPT or AI Apply to craft tailored cover letters. Ask it to analyze a job posting and suggest unique angles to showcase your skills. For interviews, platforms like interviewing.io offer AI mock sessions to practice responses and get real-time feedback. It's like having a coach 24/7. Use AI wisely. Avoid generic outputs. Customize prompts like review this job description and suggest 3 unique strengths to reflect your personality. Cross-check AI suggestions with human feedback to keep it authentic. Recruiters can spot lazy AI use a mile away. Finally, learn basic AI skills. Tools like LinkedIn's AI assistant can boost your profile visibility and show you are future ready. That's how to use AI for job hunting in 2025. Streamline your search and land that role. Have you tried these tools? Share your success in the comments. Like if you're job hunting and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time. Thank you.